Welcome to today's topic, MRI of the IAC, or Internal Auditory Canal. The IAC is a key anatomical region within the skull that contains the 7th and 8th cranial nerves, the facial nerve, and the vestibular cochlear nerve. MRI of the IAC is primarily performed to evaluate sensory neural hearing loss, tinnitus, vertigo, facial weakness, or to detect lesions such as vestibular schwannoma, also known as acoustic neuroma. High-resolution T2-weighted sequences, such as 3D FIESTA or CISS, are used to visualize the nerves and inner ear structures. Additionally, T1-weighted and post-contrast T1 fat-suppressed images help identify small lesions, abnormal enhancement, inflammation, or nerve pathology. During the scan, the patient lies in the supine position with a head coil, and motion must be minimized for optimal image quality. This MRI clearly demonstrates the nerve bundle within the IAC, as well as the cochlea, vestibule, semicircular canals, and cerebellopontine angle. MRI of the IAC is highly sensitive for identifying small tumors, demyelinating changes, infections, or structural abnormalities. Therefore, in cases of unexplained vertigo, recurrent tinnitus, facial nerve symptoms, or sudden hearing loss, MRI of the IAC is a crucial diagnostic tool.